It starts with a whisper, a gentle push against the silence of the hills, a single rope swinging between the earth and the sky. This is Kapilash Hill, and this is my journey. This is scooted off. The world condensing into a blur of green, the sun melting onto the tarmac. Every kilometer on this bike is a promise. And my promise this time was to uncover the soul of a land wrapped in legend, the royal hidden heart of Odisha, Dhenkanal. Life spills onto the streets, the busy markets, the old clock tower standing like a silent witness to time. How many stories has it seen? And watching over it all, the towering form of Lord Hanuman, a guardian of faith rooted deep in the city's spirit. My first stop, royalty, the Dhenkanal Palace. As if on cue, a flurry of wings welcomed me. It is not just a building, it is a living, breathing piece of history. This magnificent structure, a blend of European and Indian architecture, was built back in the 1830s by Raja Bhagiratha Mahindra Bahadur.
ମୋ ନାଁ ମନୋରଞ୍ଜନ ମିଶ୍ର ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ। ଏ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ୍ର ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ ରାଜା ଭଗୀରଥ ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ବାହାଦୁର। ତାପରେ ସୁରପତାଙ୍କ ସମୟରେ ଆପାତତଃ ଏ ପ୍ୟାଲେସ୍ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ଏ ହାରାହାରି 145 ବର୍ଷ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ହେବ। ଶେଷ ରାଜା ଥିଲେ ଶଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତାପ ସିଂହଦେଓ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଆମ ରାଜା କାମାଖ୍ୟା ପ୍ରତାପ ସିଂହଦେଓ। ସେ କ୍ୟାବିନେଟ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଥିଲେ ବ୍ରିଗେଡ଼ିୟର।
It is a place where the past isn't just remembered, it is still lived. But as with all old kingdoms, not all royal stories have a happily ever after. A short ride away lies Jatanpur Palace. Just look at it. Grand, even in its decay. It stands like a muted narrator, its walls holding stories we can no longer hear. This sister palace, lost to time, just left behind. You can't help but walk through these empty halls and wonder why. Why isn't this majestic ruin, this piece of history, being preserved? It is a hauntingly beautiful and honestly a heartbreaking sight. From the silence of the ruins, I saw out the solace of faith, the Sidha Balaramjew Temple. The peace here is instant, the lush greenery, the ancient stones. I was even blessed to have a sacred Mahaprasada. The chief priest shared something incredible. Here, Lord Balaram is worshipped with a mustache. It's a unique depiction, one you will hardly find anywhere else, rooted in the land's ancient tradition that might even predate the Jagannath cult. The stone idols of Lord Balaram, Lord Krishna, Ma Subhadra, and Ma Rukmani share this sacred space. And in another fascinating break from tradition, during the car festival, it's only Lord Jagannath who makes the journey to the Gundicha temple. This place, first founded in the 16th centuries by Raja Hari Singh, is a testament to Dhenkanal's unique spiritual soul.
Ayudha namaste, stu namaste, Ayudha namaste, Revati Kanta namaste, Bhaktavastra namaste, Vadilang Krishna namaste, Dharani Dhara, Pranambhari namaste, tu Tahimam Krishna Purvajam. Bara Balaram, Bhagavad Gita, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜରାସନ୍ଧ ଭୟରେ କୃଷ୍ଣ ବଳରାମ ଯାଇକରି ଦ୍ୱାରକାରେ ରହିଲେ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର ନିଶ ଦାଢ଼ି ସବୁ ଥିଲା। ସେହି ରୂପକୁ ପରିକଳ୍ପନା କରି ଏଠାରେ ଯିଏ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ସ୍ଥାପନ କରିଥିଲେ 400-500 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ, ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛୁ ସେହି ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପରିକଳ୍ପନା କରି ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ସେ କରିଛନ୍ତି। କିନ୍ତୁ ରଥଯାତ୍ରାରେ ଠାକୁର ଆମର ବିଜେ କରନ୍ତିନି, କେବଳ ଆମର ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ରଥଯାତ୍ରାରେ ବିଜେ କରନ୍ତି।
And now for the climb back to Kapilash Hill, but this time all the way to the top. The ghat road itself is a thrill. But the real reward is to abode of Lord Shiva, the majestic Chandrasekhara Temple. This pitha is sacred ground, is ancient, with origins tracing back centuries, heavily patronized by the Dhenkanal royals. Monkeys, the Lord's little attendants, are everywhere. I wanted to go further. I decided to trek alone to the Deva Sabha, the assembly of the gods at the very top. The only sounds were the kichiri-michiri of the forest. It was thrilling. And I will admit a little unnerving to be so completely alone. I passed Ma Sita's Enturishala, her sacred birthing room, where legend says she delivered Lava and Kusha. The climb. Those steep stairs. My lungs were on fire, but I made it. And this view, this feeling is worth every single step. The journey continues. The bike, the road, the world flowing by. I was heading to another marvel, the Unnakoteswara Temple. This ancient site, now protected by the ASI, holds a mystery that defies logic. They say the Shiva Linga here, it grows taller during the waxing moon, the Shukla Paksha, and sinking back during the waning moon, the Krishna Paksha. A cosmic rhythm, captured in stone, a bubble of peace and divine wonder. My final spiritual stop, Zoranda, the Mahima Gadi. As if by magic, a parrot bids me welcome. This is the Sunya temple, the temple of nothingness. This is the world headquarters of the Mahima faith. That flame you see, an eternal lamp burning 24/7, a symbol of the formless, absolute truth. The pure white structures, the profound silence, it is an experience that truly centers you. Dhenkanal is a box of endless surprises. A quiet moment of devotion at the Sai Baba temple near Kapilash Hill, sharing complex with a flock of white dogs. The unique Deva Jagannath temple where only Jagannath and Balabhadra are worshipped, without Ma Subhadra. A moment of deep respect at the Bajirao Memorial, honoring Odisha's youngest martyr. Dhenkanal, you are a land of forgotten palaces, unique faiths and divine mysteries. And of course, you cannot live without trying the legendary steaming hot Dhenkanal Bara. Until next time, keep riding and keep exploring. This is Scooter Off, signing out.